Did you know Boeing has fixed unique codes for customers? While browsing through the flight reader, many of us have noticed one thing in the aircraft info: all Boeing aircraft have different last two digits or letters. For example, SpiceJet Boeing 737-9 will have B737-9GJ, Air India Dreamliner will have. Boeing has a list of codes for all airlines to make every customer unique, but not Boeing 787. They do not use unique codes for Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Boeing 707, 717, 727, 737, 757, 747, 777, 767. This code is in the form of a two-digit /letter, which will appear after the aircraft model. For example, Boeing 777-337, LR, for Air India. Here last two digits, 37, is the code of Air India. But there is a condition in some cases: if one airline buys an aircraft from Boeing but later sold it to other airlines, then the code will not change. For example, there are some 777 aircrafts built for Emirates Airlines, but later it was sold to Cathay Pacific, but the code remains the same 1H, which is for Emirates Airlines. If the ownership of the aircraft was transferred before delivery of the aircraft, then the code will be changed to the current owner. But after 2016, this code system is discounted by Boeing and replaced by production line No.